Daddy! Oh, I need help. Oh, Palestine.
Shalom.
Minensa, who are you?
My name, Huchi. I travel from far away and I have no home. Please, please.
Get up, tafadhal, come in. Brother, no problem. You're home. تفضل يا
Shalom.
تفضل يا
أخي.
قدامك.
Oh, I travel from far away. I finally have home.
Enjoy, relax. I'm bringing zaytun from Palestine, from our home, and khubz, bread, and water.
Oh, thank you.
So, Chichu, please tell me, where did you come from? What has happened to you?
I come all the way from Germany because they tried to kill me and my family. And I come all the way to Palestine for help. Thank you, Palestine.
Come. Welcome to Palestine. And Beitak. Tafadhal, come on. No, come on, enjoy. Why you do this to me? I let you in my home. You are my guest. Why? Shumarak inta. Look at my face. Why you hurt me?
Either you give me half of your home or I kill you and take all your home.
Well, I will give you everything you want. Just you will not kill me and take my home. I will give you half. I will give you what you want.
Where are you going?
Hada Ardi, this is my half. I give you half already. Why are you attacking me? This is my property. Why you do this?
No, this is mine. You don't come here. Michi Macho. Okay.
Okay,
قد مضيت اليوم دربي سالكا درب الكرام أستقي عزي ومجدي منك يا نصل الحسام قد مضيت اليوم دربي سالكا درب الكرام أستقي عزي ومجدي منك يا نصل الحسام قد حضنت الموت عشقا وارتحلت اليوم
This is all I have left. I will not go.
Get up.
لا.
I said get up.
No. I will not let it go.
Yes, you will.
No, I will
yes,
not.
you will.
No. Shuhar. Lesh. Why do you do this?
I will kill you.
You will not.
I swear I will kill you.
Oh my God. Why you hit me? No. Bakhihu. Shukhmahahu. I hit you? Yeah, Kelb, look at me. Look at my face. You've taken my home. كل شي خدته مني. ليش?
Wait! I will call my best friend, Joe, my American friend. Please come and help me, Joe. The Palestinian man hit me.
I don't care. Call Joe. Call Abu Joe. بفركش معي. This is my land. This is my home. I will die for this.
He hit me.
Are you okay?
He hit me.
Why did you hit him? Why did you hit him? 75 years. Look.
Get out of my home.